how to use Shopify to create your very own store online and start earning money. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about Shopify and how you can create your very own store and sell online. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to shopify.com, and this is how the website looks like. So over here, what I want you guys to do is just simply sign up, and you can sign up by typing in your email address in this bar over here and clicking on start free trial. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. And once you have done that, and then they'll ask you a couple of questions like, are you already selling somewhere else? What is your current revenue? What industry do you operate in, and stuff like that. Now you can answer these questions if you want. That'll just help Shopify to determine which products would be suitable for you. But if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and skip it as well. I'm gonna go ahead and skip these questions, and the next thing that they'll basically ask you is to fill out this form. So all you have to do is enter in your first name, last name, address, apartment, and stuff like that. Once it's done, just simply click on enter my store. And also, if your store is already a registered business, don't forget to check this button over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill out this form, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. And once you have added all the information, this is how it looks like. So over here, all you have to do is add your product and add a customized theme, and then add a domain name, and that is basically it. So let's just go ahead and add a product. So click on add product, and over here all you have to do is enter in the title of the product, and down below all you have to do is enter in the description, and then add in some media as well. And after that, all you have to do is add in some pricings, and then an inventory number and a barcode number. You can get a barcode number or ISBN or UPC GTIN from online stores, or you can find some other websites where the people are selling them from. There are websites where you can get like 500 barcodes for a minimum of like $50 or something like that, and so you don't have to worry about that as well. And then down below you have to enter in the weight. So if we come over here on the left side, we will see we have a couple of different options. We have home, we have orders, and then we have product. And then down below in products, we have all products, and over here we have all the things that we need. Inventory, we have transfers, we have collections, gift cards, and then down below we have customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, and applications, and online stores as well. And if we click on sales channels over here, we can add different sales channels as well, which means that we can connect our Shopify account over onto these stores, and then we will be able to sell our products on these stores as well. So we can sell our products on more stores through Shopify as well. And if we go over on apps over here, we have different apps as well. So we have Obrello dropshipping, we have different apps, and we can download as well. Now, if you're wondering what Obrello is, it's basically a dropshipping app that we can use to dropship our product into different countries as well. So which is pretty cool, which is why Shopify is really important. And then you have discount codes. So if you want to create a discount code and you don't want to send them out to as a gift card or stuff like that, so simply click over on create a discount code, and you'll basically create a coupon or stuff like that. And then you have marketing as well. Now over here you can start your own campaigns, basically to promote your product so that you can make more sales and people can see your product and stuff like that. So if you're wondering how you can basically start a campaign, you just simply click on start a new campaign. You'll basically add in the details about the campaign and stuff like that. And if you're wondering where these campaigns will start, basically everywhere, like on Google they'll have Snapchat ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads. Like your product will be featured on all these different platforms as well, and you don't even have to worry about that because Shopify will handle that all on their own. All you have to do is just create a campaign, enter your desired amount of money, enter your desired amount of sales and stuff like that, and they'll basically do everything that they can to make that possible, and you'll probably see a really large number of growth in your sales as well. So let's just check out a few campaign templates over here. So over here, as you can see, these are some of the campaigns templates that we have over here. So over here we can grow our audience and brand awareness through Snapchat and Facebook. We can either grow our business from Facebook or emailing, or we can create our own template. If we click on customize campaign, over here, as you can see, Snapchat brand awareness, draft, then Facebook, then Snapchat, and then Facebook over here. So this is how it will look like. These are going to be the products over here. This is how it will look like on Facebook, and this is how it will look like on Snapchat, and you get the story, right? And you can add in more activity as well. So as you can see, it's Facebook, it's Snapchat, then Facebook, and then Snapchat, and then Facebook. You can add Snapchat, Facebook, Facebook, Snapchat. You can add in more activity as well. So you don't have to worry about that. And then you have customers over here. Now over here you can add different customers, or you can save the information about different customers that have already bought your product from you. Now, when it comes to making product itself, how do you make product? Now you can find the products online as well. So if I click on find products, we can see we can find products from Obrello, Handshake, Printfy, Drip Shipper, Stock, SignC, Creative Hub, Printful, and many more. So if I come down on below on apps over here, okay, so if I click on Obrello dropshipping app, let's just add this app onto our store. So if I click on add app, it's telling us to install the app. So just go over the details, and if everything is okay, just simply click on install app, and over here log in with the Obrello account or create a new Obrello account. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. And over here we can explore a product. So over here, let's just click on product. Okay, let's just click on find product. So over here it's searching on AliExpress right now. So let's just go over onto women's clothing, and over here these are all the clothings that are available on AliExpress and that are really popular right now, and we can import this list onto our Shopify account. So what if I wanted this jumper onto my warehouse, onto my Shopify account? So all I have to do is just hover on it. Okay, but before we do that, let's just check out all the details. So if I click on it, these are all the details that are available. So it's available in small, medium, and large, and these are all the colors that it's available in. It's available in black, brown, we have gray, and then we have white. So the shipping cost is $3.40. And then if you scroll down below, this is the overview of the product, all the details and dimensions of it, and it looks pretty nice as well. So let's just go ahead and add it onto our Shopify account. So scroll down over here. This is the product that we want. Click on add import on product list. So import list. So as you can see, the product has been added into our import list. Let's just head over to our import list over here on the left side. Click on import list, and this is the product that we have over here. Now what we can do is we can edit it out. So this is the name of the product. So let's just edit this out, and down below, if you have a collection, you can choose the collection as well. If you want to have some different types of listing, then you can add some different types, and then if you want to add some tags, you can add tags as well. And then you have variants as well. So if you want, you can have different variants of the same product. And then you have pricing as well, like you can change the pricing of the products as well. So over here, this is the cost, this is the shipping fee, and this is the price. So and this is going to be the profit. So you can compare the prices as well. So if you want, you can lower the prices, but you will have lower profits. So keep that in mind. And then you have description over here. You can add some description of it as well. So this is the description that is been copied. Like as you can see, Obrello is pretty cool as well. And then you have images. So once everything is done, just simply click on import to store. Click on import as a draft. Wait for a couple of seconds. So as you can see, it's been added. Now if I go over onto my warehouse and I come over here on products, so as you can see, this is the product right here, and that is basically it. And this is how you basically use Shopify to sell products. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.